Look at that. I mean, I knew when I made this board that it could eventually warp, but I made it nevertheless because I want a, well, really natural look with it. But, well, I failed. So, today I have to fix it. Of course, first we need to make it straight again, and then we will need to address that it won't warp again. Okay, so I flattened the board out. It's now slightly warp in it, but I think it's fine. Yeah, minimal. I think a few millimeters. I can sand it down and make it perfect. But now we have to think about how do we want to make this board stable. So there are a few options on the table. One would be to rip it in stripes and then orientate the grain pattern so that basically the whole board stays stable. I don't want to do this because I want this natural look, one piece look of this cutting board. The next option would be to attach here sliding dovetails like I did in my tabletop, but I don't want a board here attached. I want basically a solid piece. So the third option is to attach a wood strip here inside, basically route to groove, and put a wood inside. That's something I saw in the makeover of my tilt-out cabinet. Originally on the top, on the closing part, on this chest, the original builder of this furniture did this. So I want to do it here. And I think I will use a contrasting wood, so something like this, and put it in here and there. Then it should be stable. Alright, so I cut these things here to size, and I think they will fit. So I will clean this up and then glue them in. So that's it. I had this board now lying around for a few months, and basically there's no warp, just the slight warp, which is probably not the warping of these sides here. It's more like a twist in this board, but it's only a few millimeters and it isn't affecting, well, the usage of it. What I did different this time compared to the last time, I didn't oil it with olive oil because I noticed that after 1 or 2 months I didn't use the board because of the strong warp. I noticed that it smelled a little bit bad, so I guess it's true that olive oil will turn bad after a while if you don't use it, because if you use it you will wash it off. Though this time I use coconut oil in the neutral form, so it doesn't smell. And like I said, I had this board lying around for a few months and I didn't notice the bad smell. So I guess that's the way to go with cutting boards. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.